Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? A. Banana. B. Mango. C. Apple. B. Mango. What is the main ingredient in traditional Japanese miso soup? A. Seaweed. B. Tofu. C. Miso paste. C. Miso paste. Which country is famous for inventing the dish sushi? A. China. B. Japan. C. Thailand. B. Japan. What is the primary ingredient in hummus? A. Chickpeas. B. Potatoes. C. Rice. A. Chickpeas. Which spice is known as black gold? A. Cumin. B. Saffron. C. Paprika. B. Saffron. Which type of pasta looks like tiny rice grains? A. Penne. B. Orzo. C. Linguine. B. Orzo. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Tomatoes. B. Avocado. C. Onions. B. Avocado. Which nut is used to make traditional pesto sauce? A. Walnuts. B. Almonds. C. Pine nuts. C. Pine nuts. What is the main ingredient in traditional Thai curry? A. Coconut milk. B. Tomato sauce. C. Soy sauce. A. Coconut milk. Which cheese is known for having holes in it? A. Cheddar. B. Swiss. C. Mozzarella. B. Swiss. What is the primary ingredient in a classic Greek salad? A. Lettuce. B. Cucumber. C. Feta cheese. B. Cucumber. Which vegetable is also known as lady's fingers? A. Okra. B. Eggplant. C. Zucchini. A. Okra. What is the main ingredient in the Indian dish paneer tikka? A. Tofu. B. Cottage cheese. C. Chickpeas. B. Cottage cheese. Which type of bread is often used to make a Cuban sandwich? A. Baguette. B. Ciabatta. C. Cuban bread. C. Cuban bread. What is the primary ingredient in the Mexican dish guacamole? A. Tomatoes. B. Avocado. C. Peppers. B. Avocado. Which spice is commonly used in Indian cuisine and gives curry its yellow color? A. Paprika. B. Turmeric. C. Cumin. B. Turmeric. What is the main ingredient in the Middle Eastern dip hummus? A. Chickpeas. B. Lentils. C. Black beans. A. Chickpeas. Which type of rice is often used in sushi? A. Basmati. B. Jasmine. C. Sushi rice. C. Sushi rice. What is the primary ingredient in the Italian dish risotto? A. Pasta. B. Rice. C. Quinoa. B. Rice. Which fruit is known for its creamy, green flesh and large stone inside? A. Peach. B. Plum. C. Avocado. Avocado.